Welcome back to the homework section of Module 1. You have clicked on this to get to where we are now. And now I'm going to walk you through MindTap a little bit. So the next step, after you're done watching me, will be to click on this, MindTap Access and Registration. Now, when you click on it, it's going to walk you through the registration process. You're going to give it your name and email address and that stuff. And then you're going to end up here. Here. Okay. Now, those of you who are participating in the Box of Books program, you don't have to do anything. And you're all set. Those of you who are not, this is still your access. This is still what you do, but you're going to be billed later on. Okay, so you're set too, except for you're going to have to pay later. All right, so this is where you end up. My advice is, well, here we are. Getting started, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, okay. My advice is to, at least in the beginning, up here you'll see your course. Now this may or may not be your course, but that's what you'll see up there. And my advice is to click Expand All, at least in the beginning, so you don't miss anything. So here we are, getting started. Again, you start at the top and you click your way down. Watch this video here, a little video tutorial, how to do Applia assignments. There we go. Now notice here, it gives the points. 100 points, 42 points. That doesn't mean a thing if it says practice, okay? Practice problems don't count for your grade. Now, I used to have this count, and too many students had problems with the video, and you may. I don't know if they fixed that, but at least some did. And one student pointed out that the questions in this introductory assignment on how to use Applia were actually harder than the actual questions in the actual class. And so I make these both practice now. So do those, get familiar with this thing. And then that brings us down to, well, scroll down. Chapter 1. Okay, now this module includes 2 chapters. So please understand the difference between Chapter 1 and Module 1. The course is organized by modules, and there in Blackboard you'll see the modules laid out. Now some modules do include 2 chapters here in MindTap. This module includes 2 chapters. So the first is Chapter 1, obviously. So you click on this. This is our textbook. Written by Gregory Mankiw. It's the top-selling economics textbook in the world, and it's probably because it's the best economics textbook. I've used several of them, and this one is an excellent text with a lot of great examples, and it's well written. So here we are. Well, that's not here we are. That's not where that's here where I am. If you click up where I just clicked, let's go to the introduction. That gets us. So up here, this will give you the table of contents. As you see, there we are, table of contents for Chapter 1. And you just start here. That's probably where you'll go, because I've been in here already. It'll pick up where you left off, which is kind of nice. There's a little introductory video from the author. Just scroll down, and that's how you change pages. Keep going. And eventually we're going to get to, okay, these concept clips. These are the ones these will count for your grade. These and some of the other questions embedded in the body of the chapter. I want you to have a little bit of incentive to read carefully and learn as you go. So you watch that, answer the questions, and okay, there's another one. All right, so I think you get the idea. You just page your way through there. And here's a quick quiz. These also count. Those concept clips and these quick quizzes combined account for 10% of your grade. Again, it's not much, but it's 10% is actually quite a bit. That's the difference between an A and a B. So take this seriously. This is a great opportunity to learn this material. Okay, well, let's get out of chapter 1. And as you scroll down a little more, okay, okay, now you're done with the chapter. Here's a practice quiz. That doesn't count. Now this is an opportunity again to learn the stuff before you do anything else. Now you've got this practice and apply sections. Here's some more practice. Again, these don't mean anything. If the points, if it's practice. So you want to get a lot of practice. Now there's a section in most of the chapters, video problem walkthroughs. These will help you in your, give you more examples, short videos, how to do stuff. Now, homework counts towards your grade. Homework counts a lot towards your grade. So this should be the last thing you do. The very, very last thing you do is the homework after you've gone through everything else. Now you're ready for it. Okay, here's some more stuff. Preparation practice if you want. These are practice questions. Again, worth looking at. In case you have a problem, a question in the homework, you might want to come here and find a similar question. Okay, chapter 2 is also in this module, and same thing. Here's the text, and well, open up the activities, quick quizzes. That you'll run into these in the body of the chapter. That's where they are. Just understand that those are counting towards your grade. Chapter quiz for practice. When you're all done with that, get a little practice there. And some practice problems. Some more video problem walkthroughs. A little bit of graphing help here. Okay, if you need have problems with the graphs, doing graphing. It's also an excellent graph review in the video lectures in Blackboard. Okay, well, that's about it. That's MindTap. That's how you do it. That's how you navigate it. Again, just start at the top and click your way down. That's the way things work. That will be your best strategy. That way you don't miss anything. So I think you're good to go with MindTap. Be sure to get back to me with any questions you may have. Okay, that's it. You're good to go. See you in Module 2.